shot clock, looking for three. It's a short. Di sila nag-amo yan. Ayun, butas na. Dalita. Drive. Up. Basket. Alvar. Alvar. 2 minutes and 32. Shot clock. Dangge. Manira. Basket by Mr. Dangge. Second shot clock. Mr. Patubo. Lauban. Binuraan 3 points si Mr. Pansuy. To number 1 sa Galina. Basket. Rebound ni 14-7 shot clock. Dangge. 2 points. To number 1 Mr. Galina. 15-7 shot clock. Up. 2 points rebound number 1. Number 11. Basket. Rebound by Alvar. Basket. Mr. Alvar. Huli. Bati kulong. Yun. Basket. Ayun, nag-acting number 7. Basket. 2 minutes. Dangge. Side jump. Basket. Basket last. 5. Mr. Balita. Basket by Mr. Patubo. Basket to Mr. Galima. Basket. Looking for teammates. Pass to Mr. Laupan. Basket by Mr. Patubo. 2 minutes and 30. Dangge. Basket. 1 minute and 50. 27 pass to Mr. Dangge. Dangge again. Nice hit. Nice shot by Mr. Galima. Basket. 1 minute and 30. Mr. Alvar. Nagmamadali. Basket. Alita. Basket. Nakuha ni Mr. Alvar. Nice shot. Basket pala kayo. Ang ganda naman ng connection mo. Mr. Balita sa gitna. Using board. 2 points. 4 minutes and 23. This is short. Rebound by Mr. Patubo. Tumawad. 3. Mr. Galima. 2 minutes and 40. 12-second shot clock. Basket. Easy 2 points by Mr. Galima. After Mr. Dangge. 15-second shot clock. Mr. Dangge. Napukul ng 3. 1 minute and 2. Mr. Patubo. Mr. Patubo. Mr. Patubo again.